Do you suffer from neck and back pain and haven't found relief from conventional means? That is chiropractic care, pain medicine, massage therapy, or even surgery. Well, there is another option for you right here in Morehead City at the Carteret Non-Surgical Spinal Decompression Center.
I was kind of cautiously optimistic that this would work, and I started actually noticing a little bit of an improvement the second treatment, and then yesterday it was even better yet. So yeah, I'm actually seeing quite a bit of improvement so far. It actually feels better when you first start the treatment. The first couple of minutes, as you start to stretch your spine, you can really feel it. After that, it eases up a little bit, but the first couple of minutes, I actually can feel feels like my spine is stretching, and it feels good, to tell you the truth.
Hi, I'm here with Dr. Bickley, and thank you so much for inviting us in today.
Absolutely.
Before we get started, can you tell us a little bit about your history?
I'm a chiropractic physician, and I've been practicing here on the Crystal Coast over in Beaufort for about 9.5 years now. My office in Beaufort, we would see a lot of patients coming in with herniated and bulging discs, and they would come to my office and they were looking for an alternative to having to face, either injections or surgery, or being on medication for lifetime, I guess. And so I started looking for different types of treatment therapies that we could help them with. And one of the things that I found was the DRX 9000 spinal decompression unit. By the time patients come to see us, they've been to their family doctor, their chiropractor, they might have gone through physical therapy, and typically they've already seen a surgeon or orthopedic or a neurosurgeon. And so what we're treating, for the most part, is herniated or bulging disc. And most of the patients that we see, they've been suffering with this for quite some time. The best way to explain it is actually to go over a little bit of the anatomy so we can understand what a herniated or a bulging disc is.
Right.
Our spine is made up of, in essence, four main parts. It's made up of the bone, which protects the spinal cord and the nerve roots, and then it's made up of a disc, which is made up of two parts, which the center part is called the nucleus pulposa, and it acts kind of like a shock absorber. It's real soft and squishy. And then that nucleus pulposa is surrounded by this annulus fibrosus, which holds that nucleus pulposa in there. And then of course you have the spinal cord and the nerve roots that come out of the back, okay? And so what a herniated or a bulging disc is exactly, it looks ugly, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
And what's happened is that this little fibrous band gets a tear in it, and the nucleus pulposa, the soft squishy part that acts like a shock absorber for our spine, actually starts to squish out of that center ring there and puts pressure on the spinal cord and the nerve roots. So what we do here with the spinal decompression in the DRX 9000 is it's actually a procedure where the spine is elongated, which helps to lower the pressure inside this disc area, and that lets this nucleus pulposa get sucked back inside there, okay? Taking off the pressure off of the spinal cord and the nerve roots. It's a 5-week procedure, and just like if we cut our skin or something like that, it takes about 5 weeks for our skin to completely heal up. That's the same thing that happens with this disc and that tear. Typically we have patients come in and they go through 20 of these decompression sessions over that period. Just recently in the Journal of Medicine there was a research article done in September of 2008 that showed with the DRX 9000 decompression that they had this research study had an 88% success rate, and that's about what we're seeing in our offices.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bickley.
You're welcome.
Oh, it has helped me tremendously. When I first came, I was in an extreme pain for most everything that I did. Dr. Bickley and his staff helped me to understand what to do when I left here also. I'm doing yoga and Pilates. I just started, so I'm just thrilled to death. They just treated me great.
You may not have to suffer with back pain any longer. Call Dr. Bickley's office for a consultation and start healing your spine permanently at Carteret Non-Surgical Spinal Decompression Center. Thanks for watching. I'm Robin Barnes with Crystal Coast Now.